Okay, real question. Why do some pickles live on the shelves and others are like, put me in the fridge or I will perish? They're both pickles. They both crunch, but only one is dramatic. Let's talk about it. By the way, I'm MJ from loadedpotato.org and I make shelf-stable meals, snacks, and lazy cooking hacks that'll save you time, money, and your fridge space. Suspect 1, shelf-stable pickles. These are the ones chilling on the grocery shelf. They went through a full pickle boot camp. They were cooked, sealed, canned while hot. The heat that kills bacteria. They sealed the jar and it keeps the bacteria out. And the vinegar plus the salt makes it no party zone for germs. So these pickles are basically preserved forever. They don't need the fridge, they're stable, they're confident, they're low maintenance. Suspect 2. Now these guys, refrigerator pickles, are the drama queens. Delicious, but drama queens. They're usually not cooked the same way. They're made with vinegar and salt, yes, but they skip the heat sealing step. That means bacteria could still show up if they get warm. So the fridge is their security system. They stay cold, they stay crunchy, they stay alive longer. That's why the label says always keep refrigerated. It's not a suggestion, it's a lifestyle. Now, what's the actual flavor difference? Growing up, my mom never bought the refrigerated ones. They're fancy and they're expensive, but they are crunchier and they taste more homemade. Shelf-stable ones, they taste more classic, more mellow, kind of a burger chill pickle. Neither is bad, they're just different personalities. So, what's the takeaway here? Shelf-stable pickles are cooked and sealed. Fridge pickles are fresh and cold dependent. Both are real pickles, both belong in your life. And this is why pantry foods are elite. They wait patiently, they don't judge you, they show up when you're tired. And honestly, we keep both in the house, but I love my shelf-stable pickles. So, follow for more food facts that actually help real life and check out loadedpotato.org for pantry-only meals that work in real life. loadedpotato.org.